Sometimes while erasing a disk on Mac using Disk Utility you may face an error, erase process has failed. Click Done to continue. This error is very rare, but here we will present its solution for you. Let's first dive into different causes of this error. You may experience this error due to any of the following. 1. Malware or virus in macOS. 2. Hard disk might be corrupt or physically unavailable. 3. macOS security settings may be stopping the format process. 4. If you are trying to format an external device and have removed it while formatting. 5. The essential Mac components related to Disk Utility might not be initiated properly. We will now look into different solutions to this error. 1. Use Terminal instead of Disk Utility. 2. Update your Mac. 3. macOS security settings may be stopping the format process. 4. If you are trying to format an external device and have removed it while formatting. 5. Unmount disk and use Disk Utility to format. Let's look into the solutions in detail. Fix 1. Use Terminal instead of Disk Utility. The first fix is to use Terminal instead of Disk Utility. Go to Utilities. Launch Terminal. Type DiskUtil list and press Enter. Note down the disk you want to format and then type DiskUtil erase disk HFS plus disk 0. This will format the disk 0 in HFS plus format. Fix 2. Update your Mac. Another simple solution is to check for updates to your macOS. An outdated system may prevent you from erasing your disk. Go to About This Mac and then Software Update to check and update your device. Fix 3. macOS security settings may be stopping the format process. Go to Utilities. Open Disk Utility and select the disk you want to erase. Click the Security Options button. Drag the bar all the way to Fastest. This will result in Mac easing up on the security settings that may be preventing the drive from being erased. Fix 4. If you are trying to format an external device and have removed it while formatting. It is always possible that you are trying to erase an external disk drive. Physically check that the disk is attached and its connection is firm. Fix 5. Unmount disk and use Disk Utility to format. Click on Utilities and then Terminal. In Terminal type, DiskUtil unmount disk4/dev/disk1. Here, disk 1 is the disk I want to erase. Now the disk has been unmounted. Go to Disk Utility, select the drive and click Erase. Always remember, if your data is lost, use TenorShare 4 DDIG. Download and install TenorShare 4 DDIG from the official website for your Mac. Install the software and run it. Select the disk you want to recover your data from and click Start. Let the scan run. Once complete, select the files you want to recover and click Recover. Hopefully, you can fix your Mac by these methods. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.